Hello and welcome everyone. This is INZAMAM from SAIMEDHA Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Guys, many of the students, civil completed students from diploma gavachu, BTech gavachu, are eagerly waiting for Telangana State Public Service Commission Assistant Engineer job ki. Chala mandi anedi wait chestune unnaru. Guys, what are you waiting for? SAIMEDHA.in app lo already course anedi, coaching anedi, online coaching anedi start ayipindi. Sir, online coaching ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయంటే first of all topic wise full length video lectures ఉంటాయి. Topic wise మీకు practice set questions with solutions ఉంటాయి. Topic wise self test ఉంటది. Topic wise previous all competitive examination questions with solution. Last లో weekly ఒక challenge test కూడా ఉంటుంది. Full length video lectures are going to be there in the SAIMEDHA.in app only guys. Course పేరు మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా TSPSC AE and civil based other government jobs also. ఇది ఓన్లీ AE కే కాకుండా మీకు SSC JE కావచ్చు, RRB JE కావచ్చు, ISRO DRDO and other government jobs కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు యూటిలైజ్ అవుతుంది. లాస్ట్ లో చెప్పాలనుకునేది ఒకటే ఒక పాయింట్ గైస్, స్టార్ట్ యువర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ నౌ విత్ SAIMEDHA.in. నోటిఫికేషన్ రావచ్చు, నోటిఫికేషన్ కి 6 months పడవచ్చు, 1 year కూడా పడవచ్చు. దోస్ హూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ నౌ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ గైస్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ డెఫినెట్లీ మోర్ ఛాన్స్, మోర్ probability to get the government job. So what are you waiting for guys? Hurry up, download the SAIMEDHA.in app now and purchase the course. I'll provide the link in the description. Let's watch the video lecture now. Observe the next important question guys given over the board. The next question given is, for ductile materials the most appropriate failure theory is. The most appropriate theory of failure is what guys? So we are having actually two, that is totally four guys, that is maximum shear stress theory, strain theory, strain energy theory and distortion energy theory. Among these four, the best two are what? Distortion energy theory and maximum shear stress theory. If distortion energy theory is not there in the option, then you can put the correct answer as maximum shear stress theory. Already appeared a question guys, have to remember maximum shear stress theory, that is also called as, what is maximum shear stress theory also called as? It can also be regarded as guessed theory, guess theory, guess theory, Tresca's theory, Coulomb's theory also, okay. And utilize for which materials? Ductile materials. Let's see the next question. All the failure theories give nearly same result. All the formulas guys, if you see sigma 1, sigma 2. Next formula is tau maximum equal to sigma maximum minus sigma minimum by 2. Third formula is what guys? Sigma maximum equals to sigma 1 minus mu times of sigma 2, sigma 2 minus mu times of sigma 1. Here you need to remember one point, that when maximum stress is having large value in comparison with other principal stress, okay. So when one principal stress value is larger in comparison with other principal stress, in comparison with other principal stress, one is larger guys. Under that condition the second one is going to be neglected and the total answers for all theories of failures are going to become same. That is all are going to give you sigma maximum only na. First one is sigma maximum, second one tau maximum equal to sigma maximum minus sigma minimum by 2. Sigma minimum is going to be neglected guys, again the answer is going to become in terms of sigma max. Third one is also sigma max, fourth one is also sigma max, fifth one is also sigma max. That means all the answers are going to become same if maximum principal stress is larger in comparison with the other principal stress. From the hypothesis given by Rankine is utilized for which type of materials guys? Brittle materials. The criteria for failure of brittle material is given by which theory of failure? Rankine is the name of a scientist. He is giving you a theory of failure. What is the theory of failure called as, given by Rankine guys? Maximum principal stress theory. Maximum principal stress theory. This is a theory guys which was given by whom? Rankine. So Rankine was a scientist who developed this, postulated this maximum principal stress theory for which type of materials? Brittle materials. Next question. For an element under the biaxial state of normal stress, the normal stresses are on a 45-degree plane is equals to, what is he asking you to calculate guys? Normal stress sigma n value. Sigma n value, what is the formula for the sigma n guys? Sigma n is equals to sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2, where sigma x and sigma y are called as normal stresses. So the first option is difference of normal stress, that means there is sigma x minus sigma y guys, wrong answer. Sum of the normal stresses, that is sigma x plus sigma y guys, this is also wrong answer. Half of the sum of the normal stresses, yes. Half of the difference of the normal stresses, wrong. So which of the following is going to be your correct answer, guys? Now option C is going to become your correct answer. This because this is going to give you half of sum of normal stresses. That is called as normal stress. Next one. Guest theory for failure is applicable for. Guest theory is applicable for which type of materials? Again appeared a question, guys, and the answer is ductile materials. Ductile materials. Observe, guys, how simple questions he is asking in the previous examinations. These all bits are what, guys? Some PSUs, AE, AEE, SSC, JE, guys, examination previously already appeared a question from the strength of materials. Principal stresses, theories of failure, complex stresses concept, combined stresses concept. Maximum shear stress theory was postulated by. Maximum shear stress theory. Maximum shear stress theory was postulated by. Who was the scientist, guys, who postulated this theory of failure? It was given by Tresca. It was given by what? Tresca. That's why it is called as what? Tresca's theory of failure also. Next one. Maximum principal stress theory. Maximum principal stress theory was postulated by whom? Maximum principal stress theory was postulated by whom, guys? Rankine. So which of the following is going to be the correct answer now? Option C, and the answer is what, guys? Rankine. Rankine is going to be the correct answer for maximum principal stress theory. A body is subjected to principal stress at a point having a value of 200 megapascal. That means sigma 1 is equals to what, guys? 200. Sigma 2 is equals to some 150. Sigma 3 is equals to what, guys? 100 respectively. What is he asking you to calculate? What is the value of maximum shear stress in megapascal? Maximum shear stress ki formula emuntadi cheppandi. Tau maximum ki formula emuntadi? Tau maximum is sigma maximum minus sigma minimum by 2. Sigma max minus sigma minimum divided by 2. What is the maximum value? 200. What is the minimum value? 100. 200 minus 100 divided by 2. 200 minus 100, 100 by 2 is what? 50. So which one of the following is going to be the correct answer, guys? Option B is going to become your correct answer. Next one. Strain energy theory is also called as. Observe, guys, Saint-Venant theory. Saint-Venant theory is maximum principal strain theory. Higgs theory is strain energy theory. Rankine is maximum principal stress theory. Tresca is maximum shear stress theory. So strain energy theory is going to be postulated by whom, guys? Higgs. So the correct answer is what? B. Answer is what, guys? Higgs theory. So option B is going to become your correct answer. Next one. To calculate the principal strain of the direction. First of all, guys, these three problems are there. Three problems we are going to write it above. So until here, guys, first of all, pause the video and note it down. Let's continue, guys. Observe the question. To calculate principal strain and the direction on a plane surface, what will be the total number of the strain reading required with the help of the strain gauges? First of all, guys, you need to remember this formula. Okay. What is the three-dimensional matrix form, guys? Sigma xx, sigma yy, and sigma zz. Here you can write tau xy, tau xz. Here you can write tau yx, tau yy, tau yz. Similarly, the last one, guys, tau zx, tau zy, and sigma zz. Tell me how many number of the components are there in this three-dimensional matrix? Total number of components. And independent number of components, guys. Independent number of components. This is what we need to remember. Okay. Then we will be writing two-dimensional. Then we will be writing one-dimensional. In the two-dimensional, guys, we know the formula as sigma xx, sigma yy, tau xy, and tau yx. And the last one, three-dimensional, guys. Here you can write some sigma. It can be any element, sigma xx or yy or zz, something, guys. One element only. Okay. One dimension. Total number of elements are there here, how many? 9. But what are independent? That means non-repetitive terms. These three terms and these three terms are same. Okay. So these are same. What? Same ante manam em cheyali? Okatesari count cheyali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So independent number of components are going to become what? 6. Observe here. Here how many number of the components are there? This is sigma x, sigma y. Tau xy and tau yx both are going to become equal to each other. So the total number of elements are 4, but the independent number of elements are how many? 3 only. Here how many, guys? One dimensional, 1 and 1 only. Manaki ee column kavali. These are called as what, guys? Number of strain gauges required. Number of strain gauges required in order to analyze what, guys? Stresses and as well as what? Strain. Observe here now. What is the option is given there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 will be the total number of the component in the biaxial state of stress, guys. Nothing mentioned biaxial, only you need to consider total number of the components are what? 4. Independent number of the components is what we require. Independent number of components is what we require. So what is the correct answer going to become now? Option C is going to become your correct answer. Total number of strain readings. Total number of strain readings with the help of strain gauges. Strain gauges, number of strain reading is going to be defined based upon this independent number of components only. So which one of the following is the correct answer now? Option C is going to become your correct answer. Next question. Calculate the maximum shear strain. Observe, guys, there is also one more note point. How to convert the stresses formula in terms of what? Strain. What is the first thing, guys? Sigma maximum. Okay, na sigma. Sigma maximum can be directly converted into what? E maximum, that is strain maximum. Sigma minimum can be converted into what, guys? E minimum. Similarly, we can write sigma x in terms of what? Ex. Sigma y in terms of what, guys? Ey. But whenever we are writing the shear stress, guys, remember this point that this shear is going to be converted into shear strain divided by what? 2. This is what we need to remember. Tau xy is going to become 5xy divided by what? 2. Similarly, 5 maximum, tau maximum is going to be written as what, guys? 5 maximum divided by what? 2. In this way, we are going to what? Change all the stresses formulas in terms of what? Strain. Chalo, tell me now. The next answer, the answer number 2, guys. Answer number 2. What is as mentioned there? Maximum shear strain. What is the formula for the maximum shear stress, guys? Maximum shear stress is equals to sigma maximum minus sigma minimum divided by 2. If I want to write here shear strain, so 5 maximum divided by 2 I need to do, because we know that tau maximum is 5 maximum divided by 2. Changing, guys, not equal, changing. How do you need to change? Here you can directly write a maximum principal strain, minimum principal strain divided by 2. This 2 gets what? Cancel. So the next formula what we can write here is 5 maximum is equals to E maximum minus of E minimum. What is the maximum, what is the E maximum and what is the E minimum, guys? Strains he mentioned here, that is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6 minus of 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6 minus of minus 200 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So what is the answer you people are going to get now? Minus into minus plus 300 into 10 to the power of minus 6 and this one is going to become your correct answer for this question, guys. Okay. Last one. Calculate the maximum value for the principal stress for the shown in figure. Maximum principal stress. What is the formula for the maximum principal stress, guys? Maximum principal stress ki formula emonte cheppandi. Sigma maximum is equals to sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau square xy. Where sigma x is equals to sigma, sigma y is equals to sigma, tau xy is also equals to sigma. Observe here. Sigma x value lo emundi sigma undi, sigma y దగ్గర మనకి ఏముంది సిగ్మా ఉంది, tau xy పొజిషన్ లో కూడా మనకి ఏముంది సిగ్మానే ఉంది. సో అన్ని సిగ్మానే ఉన్నాయి. చలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా, గైస్? సిగ్మా ప్లస్ సిగ్మా డివైడెడ్ బై 2 ప్లస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ సిగ్మా మైనస్ సిగ్మా డివైడెడ్ బై 2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సిగ్మా స్క్వేర్. ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది మనకు. సిగ్మా ప్లస్ సిగ్మా ఇస్ హౌ మచ్, గైస్? 2 sigma డివైడెడ్ బై వాట్? 2 plus since sigma square under root gets what? Cancel. Square under root gets cancel. This 2 gets cancelled. So remaining is what now? Sigma plus sigma. Sigma plus sigma is what? 2 sigma. So 2 sigma is there in which option? Tell me, guys. Option C. So option C is going to become your correct answer. In this manner, guys, you people are going to solve the problems. Okay, chalo. Pause the video and note it down. I hope you like this video lecture, guys, and all this content, guys, I am regularly going to update in the YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel, download the SAIMEDHA.in app now and purchase the course. Thank you very much. This is Mohammed INZAMAM signing off.